Any website, after create the content by using proper title, first of all we need to verify by using Google Webmaster. You need to verify the Google Webmaster. To enter the copy URL, select option called is particular site, click for overview. In this overview, the option is called URL inspection. The based on your inspection, they will be decide your performance. They decide your performance, clicks, impression, CTR, average position. So in URL inspection nothing but to index the URL on the Google search engine option. Set the URL, enter this option. They're starting for retrieving data from Google index. After that, what's showing URL is not in Google but is the issue. So requesting for index, and always remember they will okay with the desktop, not with the mobile friendly. They will index for the mobile version also, but they're not showing for mobile friendly content. The two things are very important. Index will be two things, desktop and mobile friendly. Mobile friendly will be wrong. They will index, but they're not showing for mobile friendly. Select your option here. So checking indexing here. Any indexing process will be checked for minimum 1 minute to 2 minutes of time. Each and every URL starting once will be done. No need to touch. Further, any case you are changing title or description, you can do once again index. Further, any changing title and description. Suppose every week you are changing title and description. Daily you can do for every week. When you're changing title description, immediately you can do for URL inspection. That is called indexing process. That is called indexing process. In a previous is a name called fetch as a Google. New name is called URL inspection. Two names. Old name is a fetch as Google and new name will be URL inspection. If anybody asks interview question, I'm updating for site title and the description. My old update is 1 year back. New update will be title and the description, new update. How can indexing for Google? The option is called the website you need by setup for Google Webmaster, do for URL inspection. When you changing title and description, next on time do for URL inspection. This is a mandatory field. That is called we can do for title description crawled by where? Search engine. Is it clear? Any updates next we will do for URL inspection. So they went wrong here. Maybe the server is going to update. So after that, copy the URL. We can find out by this. They show the results. Right now showing for 0. So wait for to index on your page. So every page will be indexing for a particular website. Not only for any website. So we can select here. Any page you design, order changing for title and description, copy the URL, select your site. Suppose is already indexed. How will we check? Is already indexed. So in this URL inspection, copy this, paste it. Only checking for Google Webmaster. Scrolling here. Second one, you can checking for where? In this search engine list. Then showing for your links. Now, URL inspection. Showing for URL is on Google. They will be showing will be like this. Once index process will be done, the showing will be like this. Coverage and the mobile usable. Is it clear? It's a very, very important and particular website to index on using Google Webmaster tool.